Hello to all those who are watching this video. This is the video for the students of class 10th. Science. Subject is science. And topic I selected for this video is wildlife conservation. Okay. So Nivedita is here by taking this topic. So we will study this topic in detail. Especially we will study what is the role of local people in conserving forest and wildlife. Okay, so means first we will talk of active participation. Means what is active participation? So every effort of ecological security and eco development is useless until a wholehearted participation of social workers, industrialists and local villagers. Means कोई भी स्टेप, कोई भी गवर्नमेंट का स्टेप या कोई भी स्टेप जो है वो सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो सकता जब तक कि उसमें सोशल वर्कर्स, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट या लोकल विलेजर्स का पार्टिसिपेशन ना हो. देयर सपोर्ट इज needed. Okay, so active participation of public and their support be generated in order to conserve forest and wildlife. Right. So means we have the examples. We have the examples where we can see the success of the programs by the participation of local people. So there have been enough examples of local people working traditionally for conservation of forest. So first may you have heard of it. For example, the Bishnoi community in Rajasthan. Bishnoi community in Rajasthan, for whom conservation of forest and wildlife has been a religious tenet. Okay. So Amrita Devi Bishnoi in 1731 sacrificed her life along with 363 others for the protection of खेजरी trees and खेजराली village near जोधपुर in Rajasthan. You should know कि जो खेजरी का ट्री है ये राजस्थान का स्टेट सिंबल भी है. ओके, ये वहाँ का सिंबल है. तो वहाँ पर इन ट्रीज को बचाने के लिए इसने जो है वो एक मूवमेंट स्टार्ट किया था. So the government, and she died. She sacrificed along with her 3 daughters. So the government of India has recently instituted an Amrita Devi Bishnoi National Award for Wildlife Conservation. तो उसके नाम से एक अवार्ड भी हर साल दिया जाता है. Okay, and this award is given as to remember the contribution of Amrita Devi and other conservatives for the conservation of खेजरी tree. ओके, उसको बचाने के लिए, जिसको हम हिंदी में शमी कहते हैं. खेजरी को शमी कहा जाता है, शमी पत्र या शमी का पेड़. So the award is given for significant contribution in the field of wildlife protection, which is recognized as having shown exemplary courage or having done exemplary work for the protection of wildlife. A cash award of rupees 1 lakh is presented to individuals or institution involved in wildlife protection. तो उस अवार्ड में ऐसा दिया जाता है. So this is the pic. चिपको मूवमेंट, ये दूसरा एग्जाम्पल है. एक एग्जाम्पल वो था ओके अमृता देवी बिश्नोई वाला नियर जोधपुर, ओके, टू प्रोटेक्ट द खेजरी ट्रीज. Now चिपको आंदोलन, that is hug the trees movement. Okay, this was the result of grassroots level effort to end the alienation of people from their forest. Okay, so the movement originated from an incident in a remote village called, ये कहाँ पे हुआ था, रेनी इन गढ़वाल. Okay, this is high up in the Himalayas during the early 1970s. There was a dispute between the local villagers and the logging contractor who had been allowed to fell trees in a forest close to the village. Okay, So the contractor's worker appeared one day in the forest to cut the trees while the men folk were absent. जब सुबह सुबह उसके कॉन्ट्रैक्टर के आदमी जो है वो जंगल काटने के लिए वहाँ पर गए, उस समय पे गांव के जितने भी मेल थे वो सारे काम पे गए हुए थे, तो गांव में जो है वो बच्चे और विमेन थे. So the women of the village reached the forest quickly and clasped the tree trunks, thus preventing the workers from felling the trees. और उन्होंने सबने पेड़ों को पकड़ लिया. The contractor had to withdraw the chip, उसको अपना वापस लेना पड़ा. And the Chipko movement quickly spread and forced the government to rethink their priorities in the use of forest produce. The Chipko movement spread slow to all nearby areas under the leadership of Sundarlal Bahuguna. धीरे 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 ये leadership सुंदरलाल बहुगुणा की leadership में ये फैलते गया. And Sundarlal Bahuguna is a public figure, is a figure in the world in this field. So you can see किस तरीके से चिपको आंदोलन में इन लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था. Government, this is third example we have of degraded sal trees. साल फॉरेस्ट को किस तरीके से रिकवर कर लिया गया लोकल पीपल की हेल्प से. ओके, तो जो वेस्ट बंगाल, दिस इज अ केस स्टडी ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल. So what was happened there? Government realized its failure in reviving the degraded sal forest. The reason was traditional method of surveillance and the government policies, which led clashes between villagers and the forest officials. Okay, यहाँ अक्सर ही ऐसे clashes हुआ करते थे. And these were also some of the major causes for militant peasants movement led by Naxalites. And after getting defeated, the forest department changed its strategy at the instance of forest officer A.K. Banerjee. Mr. A.K. Banerjee ने strategy ही change कर दी और उसके बाद local people की उन्होंने help ली और साल trees को बहुत ही कम समय में उन्होंने revive कर दिया. So this is the example of people's participation in the management of sal forest. Okay. So this was the case study of in 1972. Okay, so thereafter department involved villagers in the protection of 1272 hectares of badly degraded sal forest, and in return for help in protection villagers were given employment. और इसके बदले में उन्होंने वो help कर रहे थे तो उन villagers को employment दिया. Okay, and allowed fuel wood and fodder collection on payment of a nominal fee. फिर उनको वहाँ से fodder collect करने की भी nominal amount देकर permission भी मिली थी. So with the active and willing participation of villages, the sal forest of Arabari underwent a remarkable recovery. So we have the examples of local people's participation. Okay. So thank you so much.